Ladies and gentlemen, at 600 hours tomorrow, a joint operation will be conducted by Pakistan Air Force and Pakistan Army. A package comprising of F-16s, Mirages and JF-17 will strike the high-value target and foreign terrorist. A team of Pakistan Army's Special Services Group will be paradropped to lace the target. Area eyes and Falcos will be our eyes in the skies. Everyone must ensure that there should be no collateral damage. Keeping the traditions of zero failure, we'll achieve the objective, inshallah. Godspeed and good luck.
Mike Charlie. Select.
Solid copy.
Amazing.
सकेगा कोई मेरा वजूद दुश्मन तेरे इम्तिहान के लिए है मेरी जिंदगी
Help is on the way.
किसी आसमां के लिए सर पे कफन लपेटे हुए रब लड़ेंगे वतन तेरी बका के लिए अब मर मिटेंगे वतन तो डर नहीं सकते
Mike Charlie, Swag 6 is hit. I repeat, he's down.
मर नहीं
Send in combat rescue.
सकते लहू शहीदों का रग रग में जोश था